welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Althea. If you have been following me for a while, welcome back. And today I have a very exciting video because I'm going to be creating a cardigan for summer, for those beach vibes. So I'm going abroad soon for a small trip with my family, and I'm planning to be wearing this a lot during this trip. So this video is in collaboration with Made by Asia, and I am going to be crocheting her Pulsatilla Cardigan. I hope I'm saying it right. I'm sorry if I'm not. But yes, it's very, very beautiful. I'm so excited to get started on it. So for this pattern, I have this beautiful green because recently I am too much into green and I think it would look beautiful in this green. So I'm using the Ice Yarns Alara yarn, which is size 3, and the pattern is asking for 2. But I'm going to be increasing my hook size just to have it a little bit a breathier cardigan because it's for summer after all. But it's still, I hope, not a bad choice. But I love this color, so I want to make it in this green, okay? Anyhow, as I said, I'm going to be using instead of 3mm, I'm going to be using the 4mm. And before I start this pattern, for once, I'm going to start off the right way, just to have an idea. And I'm going to be doing the gauge, which I don't always do. Determine what size of this cardigan I need to follow, and then we shall start. This pattern is amazing. It has so much information. I mean, all the stitches that you need to work on, they are all clearly detailed. So, I mean, what more do you need? So a little backstory behind this pattern is that Made by Asia has reached out to me and has given me the opportunity to select 2 of her patterns. She has tons of patterns, beautiful, beautiful patterns, which was extremely hard to choose just 2, but we did. So I'm going to start off with this first pattern, which is the Pulsatilla Cardigan, and then in the future I'm going to be crocheting another pattern of hers. And I just want to take this moment to say that I'm extremely grateful for her to give me this opportunity to create this beautiful, beautiful pattern. Thank you. So this video might seem a little bit chaotic because I'm going to be moving around and I do not have much time at home these days since we are moving homes. So you'll be seeing me crocheting most of the time not at home. So for that reason, I have my crochet bag, which if you know, you know, for if there are any readers out there. And I have my shirts as well. Let me know if you're a fan and you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I'm gonna grab my bag and my stuff to create this cardigan. And we got to get out of here. Pattern and pen, check.
We are here in the construction zone at the moment. It's too chaotic, but it's a little bit early in the morning, so we cannot start making noise. So I'm drinking my coffee and getting my first few crochet stitches in. Where I'm at the moment. I am loving the stitches that I had to create. They created the most beautiful flower feature. And I'm loving the green, except that so far I have already used 3 balls of yarn and I have around 8 of these, which according to the pattern instruction they should be enough, but obviously everyone has his own tension and that might alter the number of yarn balls you might need. I don't know if I should continue in this color or use another yarn that I know I have enough yarn for it. I don't know if I should continue working on this or start the other one right away. Or take my chances and see how far along I can get with this yarn. But I feel like that would be time wasted. So just a small update about the house projects that you might have seen me do something. We're mostly doing work, me and my husband, so I do my best to try and help as much as I can. But obviously there is a limit, but I try. I do try my best. The next step for me would be painting the walls and ceilings. We're at the stage where we are destroying it before making it better. I'm excited. I'm very excited. The back panel is complete.
And now I have started on the front piece, which we have, I think, 2 on each side, but that's how it looks so far, and I will have to do another one. But the thing is, do you know how I mentioned that I might not have enough green yarn? At this stage where I'm at, I have just started to work on a new ball, and I have 3 balls of yarn left. So I'm thinking this might become a sleeveless situation, but I'm sure it will still look fantastic.